Hey, look, one of my extra jobs is in a piano bar. And last night I had several spring breakers, and then I have some folks that are in their 20s that are still taking spring break. And then I had several adults. And sometimes when they get intoxicated, especially when they get up on stage with the piano and the musicians playing, they'll trip or they'll fall off the stool.
Right.
And I don't have a breathalyzer to prove, how intoxicated somebody is, but can you tell me what generally happens when we have a customer that slips off a stool or falls or trips on stage? Is our liability, do we have to prove that we didn't do anything wrong? And I have no way of gauging, like I said, the amount of alcohol that contributed to a slip or fall. Can you tell me where that usually ends up?
Yep.
Well, Bob, I mean, it's hard to tell you where it usually ends up because every one of these cases very fact intensive. I mean, you've got to look at every fact. The fact that if you are the business owner or bar owner and one of your patrons is intoxicated, that kind of goes both ways. I mean, it depends on how much they've had to drink. Obviously, that could affect someone's ability to maintain their balance, but it also depends on what they fall over. I mean, if they trip over a cord that you have up there that maybe they can't see because the lighting's dim. You mentioned falling off a bar stool. I've handled one of those cases in the past, but in that situation, the gentleman was in a bar, but literally the back of the bar, the stool gave way. The bar stool basically fell apart. This guy fell about 3 or 4 feet down and hit his head pretty hard. Now, he had a couple of cocktails, I'm sure he did, but that had nothing to do with the fact that the stool gave way. So it really depends on the circumstances of the case, but clearly if they had been drinking, that would be a factor not in their favor.